Students, let us see the next question. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A minus 4 comma 2 and B 6 comma minus 4. Okay, here we have one line. That line is passing through minus 4 comma 2 and 6 comma minus 4, and we have another perpendicular bisector. Bisector means that bisector will pass through the midpoint of this line AB. Okay, so you can find out the midpoint of the line AB using the midpoint formula. Understood? Passing through the point you will get, that is the midpoint. Also that line is perpendicular. So perpendicular idea, you know, we done two sums. So using the perpendicular idea you can find out the slope, and the product of the slope equal to minus 1. You can find out the another slope. So you can find the equation of the straight line. Okay, so using this 2 points you make a straight line, then find out the midpoint. It is the bisector line. It is that line is also perpendicular, so it is perpendicular bisector. Then so you can find out the midpoint. Understood? So first of all you draw the diagram. Just you draw a line. That line is passing through this. It is not no need to draw straightly. When I draw straightly, I think you can understand about the perpendicular bisector. So I drawn this way. Okay, this is for minus 4 comma 2. It is the A coordinate, and the B coordinate it is 6 comma minus 4. Okay, you find out the midpoint approximately. And that line is passing through this midpoint. It is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, don't think of perpendicular bisector is coming like this way. If you draw the line like this, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector like this way. Okay, anyway, according to the line you will get the perpendicular bisector. Now I drawn the perpendicular bisector and the line straightly like x and y axis. Okay, it is the perpendicular bisector, so it is angle 90 degree and these two sides are equal. So that is the midpoint. Okay, this is the midpoint. So we can find out this point using the midpoint formula. Okay. Now let us consider this midpoint as D. Okay, so you can write this given A minus 4 comma 2 and B 6 comma minus 4. Joining a line AB. Okay, consider the perpendicular bisector of AB bisects at D. Therefore, D is the midpoint of AB. To find the coordinates of D, okay, write the midpoint formula. Midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, therefore midpoint of AB is A coordinate and B coordinate. Okay, it is x1 plus x2. So minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2. 2 minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, that is, what is the midpoint of AB? It is D. So D coordinate is minus 4 plus 6, it is 2 divided by 2, comma 2 minus 4, it is minus 2 divided by 2. So what is the D coordinate? 2 by 2 is 1, comma minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So what is the midpoint of AB? It is D coordinate 1, comma minus 1. Okay. Next we can find the slope of AB. So to find slope of AB, slope equal to difference in y coordinates divided by difference in x coordinates Okay, so what is the a coordinate and b coordinate? From that you find the different y coordinate first. It is 4 minus 2, and difference in x coordinate, it is 6 minus of minus 4. Okay, so we can find out 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 6 minus of minus 4 means 6 plus 4, it is 10. So using the 2 table we can cancel. You are getting it is 1 by 5. Okay. Sorry, this is difference in y coordinate, that is minus 4 minus 2. So you are getting minus 6. When you are cancel, it is minus 3 divided by 5. Okay. So the slope is minus 3 divided by 5. It is the slope of the line AB. So here you write M1 equal to, inside the bracket you write let. We are choosing it is M1, we did not write earlier, no. So we can write this way, M1 equal to minus 3 by 5. Let M2 be the slope of the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so we can write, which implies M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. Already we written perpendicular bisector, so no need to mention the lines are perpendicular. We already it is understood. So M1 into M2 equal to minus 1, which implies minus 3 by 5 into M2 is equal to minus 1, which implies M2 is equal to, the negative you can cancel here, or when you multiply, when you divide this minus 1 divided by minus 3 by 5, you will cancel. So anyway, there have no negative sign. Minus negative by negative or negative divided into negative, anyway it is positive. It is 5 divided by 3. Okay, so you get the slope of the perpendicular bisector is 5 divided by 3. You can consider that is also M. Okay, let M is equal to 5 by 3. Now we know the formula for the perpendicular bisector equation. It is, the line is parallel. Anyway, it is passing through the midpoint D. So one point slope formula. Okay. And D is 1 comma minus 1. Okay. Using the slope and point, we are going to find the equation. Therefore, the equation of the perpendicular bisector is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, when you write the coordinate here, without confusion, you can use this m value and this coordinate. Okay, so y minus of minus 1 equal to 5 by 3 into x minus 1. Okay, which implies y plus 1 With this you cross multiply this 3. So 3 into y plus 1 is equal to 5 into x minus 1. Now multiply and find the equation the standard form. Okay. So change the side. Here x term is positive. Okay. So you take the transpose this y term with this x term. So 5x minus 3y, then this minus 5 minus 3 equal to 0. So you will get the standard form of the equation is 5x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, we can write the answer. Equation of the perpendicular bisector is 5x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, are all clear?